Have you ever walked away from a conversation and realized you said nothing you wanted to say? Like they were in control the whole time? What if I told you there are 5 psychological tricks used by manipulators, leaders, and influencers that can help you control any conversation without sounding aggressive? Let's uncover the dark side of communication. Trick 1: the echo effect. The first trick is simple but powerful. Echo their words. Psychologically, we trust people who sound like us. When someone says, "I've been stressed lately," you respond, "Stressed? What's been going on?" This is called mirroring, and it creates instant connection. They feel heard. You gain trust. And once they trust you, you lead the dialogue. Trick 2: control the frame. Every conversation has a frame. The frame is the unspoken rule of who leads and who follows. Want to control it? Start by asking powerful, open-ended questions. For example, why do you think that happened? What's your biggest goal right now? The person who asks the questions is always the one steering the ship. Trick 3: intentional pauses. Silence is your secret weapon. Most people rush to fill silence, but not you. After making a point, pause. Let it sit. Let them react. That pause creates pressure and power. They lean in, waiting, and in that moment, you own the room. Trick 4: redirect with compliments. This one's deadly. If someone challenges you, don't get defensive, disarm them. Say, "That's a smart observation, but here's another way to look at it." You're not fighting. You're leading them into your frame voluntarily. Trick 5: control the exit. People remember how conversations end more than how they begin. End strong. Summarize the key point in your own words. Shake their hand. Look them in the eyes. Say something like, "Great chat. Let's pick this up again soon." You just reinforced your presence and left them with your narrative. You don't have to speak louder to take control. You just need to speak smarter. Master these 5 tactics, and you'll never walk into a conversation unarmed again. If you found this useful, comment "I control with silence" and subscribe for more dark psychology breakdowns. Because sometimes silence speaks louder than words.